Ladies and gentlemen, with all the love in the world, let's go ahead and put our hands together. A warm Jamlot welcome onto the stage. This is your first Jamlot show, I believe. And is this your first time here at the beer? Maybe. Oh, no. I think you may have been here before once for Love Hope as well.
Or something, yeah.
Something.
Yeah.
So a warm Lincoln's Beard welcome back and a warm Jamlot welcome onto the stage. Please put your hands together, everyone. Please give it up for Brett Vaughn.
Can you hear the guitar? So I'm gonna do a little nature set today. So it's literally just songs that have the word nature in it. So because I like nature, I like animals, I like plants. Was a boy, a very strange, enchanted boy. They say he wandered very far over land and sea. Shy and sad of eye, but very wise was he. And then one day, one magic day, he passed my way, and while we spoke of many things, fools and kings, this he said to me: the greatest thing I've ever was just to know and be loved in return.